What's up, guys? I just pulled up into Rockport, Texas, a place I've never fished before. Got Coda. He's gonna be crying probably the whole time. You gonna cry the whole time? He's super anxious. He can't wait to go fishing. I know. Yeah, so we're gonna try to, we just pulled up to the gas station here. I'm gonna get an energy drink, some water for both of us, and I think we're gonna be good to go to the spot. I've never fished anywhere around here. The spot I'm going to, I've never been to, I've never heard of. I just saw it driving one time, so hopefully there's some fish there. We're gonna see. I'm just gonna fish it by instinct only. I don't know any spots here, nothing at all. I'm just gonna, I guess, just fish the shoreline, look for some tails, look for movement, just the basics. I know. When I talk to him, he's quiet. Coda, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, my boy. My boy. My boy. Alright, so we'll see you at the spot though. BRB. Okay, so we're in the water. We made it out a little bit already because it started raining. Did not know it was gonna rain. Me and Coda battled through it though. I'm already seeing some shrimp jumping along this shoreline, little tiny ones. So, but this, dude, this place looks amazing. I've never seen anything quite like so perfect. Like the water depth is perfect. There's grass, shrimp, oyster beds. But that's not to say there's gonna be fish or I'm gonna catch fish, but we're gonna see. Just gonna keep following the shorelines like I normally do. There's some mullet out here too. I don't know if gar come all the way over here or not. I don't know what to do here, honestly, guys. I haven't felt any oysters yet, so I haven't switched to a weedless. I'm using a voodoo shrimp right now. Just gonna keep using that until I think otherwise. Hopefully I get away from these cars soon though. Ooh, this felt like little nibbles, but that could, oh, I'm getting shallow. Getting really shallow right here. First time my pedals have touched since I started. Literally the launch was awesome. I can't believe I launched and it didn't have to paddle. Paddle for like 2 seconds. Really cool place, man. Absolutely gorgeous too. When I stopped at the gas station, I saw like 30 people getting ready to go fishing out, all kinds of different boats and stuff. I got nervous. I thought they were gonna come over here, but luckily ain't no one here. All right, let's just, yay! Oh, what is that? Hey, something on the shoreline right here. Look, there's something right there on the shoreline. That could be a mullet, but they usually don't like touch the grass like that. It's moving real slow. I don't see him no more. Oh yeah, I do. Moved. He's still there. It looks like maybe finger mullet or something. Got him! It wasn't a mullet. What is that? It's a little rat red. I knew I saw a little red. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna be able to reverse. Let's see if it, oh! Little rat red! Sight casted, hell yeah. Coda, no. Wait, Coda, I'll bring him in here so you can look at him. Heck yeah. Wanna check him out, Coda? Yeah. He doesn't like that. All right, later, buddy. No skunk. So we're putting on a Z-Man redfish toad diesel minnow. So hopefully I can just reel this through the grass, and that'll be all I need to do to catch all the fish in the world. Kind of want to get to where it opens up, so I'm just gonna keep moving. Because I feel like to get back here, the reds really have to like explore to get back here. If I actually get into like the open part of the water, they're probably already there. It's just easier access for them. Oh, there we go. Got him. Another little guy. Oh, it's a flounder. Nice. Little Rockport floundy action. Let me see if I can grip him. No, the lure fell out. Of course the lure fell out in between the fish grips. There we go. Heck yeah, probably maybe like right at keeper flounder. Not bad, not bad. See if I can get the phone release. Let Cody get a sniff. Smell. Hey, what is that, huh? Seagulls going nuts out in the middle of the water? I think so. So the birds are dive bombing everywhere over here, but I don't see anything. I don't see any like splashing or nothing. They're definitely picking stuff up off the water though. Something's moving in the water right there. Oh yeah, I think there's something in the water. Yep. There we go. Got him. Stay out of school. Oh no, it's a school of hardheads. Oh no. Or gaff top. It's a gaff top, not a hardhead. Alright, later, buddy. I'll throw it back in, but I think it's all just, I'm guessing it's that. Maybe that's why the birds aren't really scared of them. There we go. Come on. Another gaff top. No way. No way I threw my pliers in the fog. Okay, now we're filming. I caught another gaff top, so I guess nothing really special to film either way. Go to bear. He's a stinky boy. Alright, we just crossed the pond, I guess you could call it. This bay that we're in. Just on the other side, kind of making our way back to launch. But this just looks gorgeous. If we don't at least catch one red in here, something's up with it. Lots of mullet in here. Lots of mullet. Oh, this is stupid shallow. What? This didn't look shallow at all. This is dummy shallow. What the fuck? Oh, on? Yo, red? Question mark? Flounder? Question mark? Trout? Question mark? I don't know. I think it kind of feels like a flounder. Yo, it's a big flounder. Let's go. Whoa, he just woke up. Oh my god. Did he not know he was hooked? What the heck? Whoa, you're gonna break my rod doing that, buddy. Oh my lord. Absolute unit of a flounder. He's hooked really good though. I say that now, but come here, bucko, don't burn my hand. He's not tired yet. He's gonna burn. Jeez. This is not smart. Guys, don't do this at home. Got him. There we go. Dude, the size of this flounder. He's a freaking unit. Look at that, Coda. Check him out. He's a unit, little boy. Do I want to bring a flounder home? Have some fresh flounder? That's a good one, dude. That's a good flounder right there. I think I'm going to take him home. He's cool, huh, Coda? He's cool, huh? There we go. Something, finally, a little trout. Finally. There we go. Nice little trout guy. Little goblet. Dang, he is lively too. I feel like right at slot. Maybe smaller. Let my dog get a couple sniffs on you and then you're gone. Let my little boy. Here. Want to smell him? Some smells? Koi doesn't like when they move. Here, little trout bud. Heck yeah, finally something. Glass. There's no fish, huh, Coda? Guess let's let this guy go. See you later, bucko. I got storm clouds in front of me, huge storm clouds behind me, both thundering like crazy. So I'm zooming back. I don't want to get stuck out in the rain with Coda. Oh my god, it's pouring.